In this video, you'll learn how to download and export a conversation on Slack. By following the steps outlined, you will successfully create an export of your selected messages and files for easy access and storage. Begin by navigating to your Slack workspace. Open your web browser and enter the Slack URL for your workspace, ensuring you are on the correct channel where the conversation you want to export is located. You should see the main Slack interface with channels listed on the left side of the screen. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Admin. This is usually found in the sidebar or under a drop-down menu. After clicking, a new menu will appear presenting various administrative options related to your workspace settings. After that, select Workspace Settings from the admin options. This action will redirect you to a settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Slack workspace. Look for the heading that clearly indicates you are. Once this appears, find and click on Import Export Data. This option allows you to manage data exports from your Slack workspace. After clicking on it, you will see a page dedicated to data export functionalities. Now click on the Export button. This will prompt you with information regarding what data can be exported. Review this information carefully as it will explain what types of messages and files are included in the export process. At this point, take note of the details about what is included in the export. For instance, messages and file links sent in public channels are typically included, while private messages and editing logs are excluded. Understanding these limitations is crucial for your planning. Next, you will need to select the date range for your export. Click on Export Date Range to choose the specific period for which you want to download messages. This date range allows you to narrow down the conversation you wish to export. Once you've selected a date range, click on Choose One to specify the exact time frame. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select predefined options such as last 24 hours or a custom range. After selecting the desired option, confirm your choice by clicking on last 24 hours if that suits your needs. This will set the export parameters for the most recent conversations. Now proceed by clicking on the Start Export button. This action will initiate the export process. A loading indicator may appear, signaling that your export is being prepared. Depending on the volume of data, this may take some time. Once your export is being generated, a message will appear confirming that the process has started. You will be informed that you will receive an email notification when the export is ready for download, which is an important confirmation to note. After completing these steps, check your email for a notification once the export is ready. This email will contain a link allowing you to download the exported data directly from Slack. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.